Have you ever wondered how one of the most advanced armored vehicles in Southeast Asia came into existence? Imagine a time when Singapore's military relied on aging American technology, and then one brilliant idea changed everything. The Bionix Armored Fighting Vehicle, developed entirely by Singapore, became a symbol of innovation, power, and self-reliance. Today, we're diving into its fascinating journey. From the drawing board to the battlefield, this story of defense, design, and determination will keep you hooked. Stick around, and by the end, you'll understand why the Bionix is more than just a vehicle. It's a game changer. Back in the 1980s, the Singapore Ministry of Defense faced a dilemma. The M113 armored personnel carrier, a reliable but aging vehicle, was still a backbone of their forces. Yet, the world had changed. Modern warfare demanded more, better protection, faster mobility, and greater firepower. But replacing such a critical vehicle wasn't easy. Singapore's military knew it needed something homegrown. They didn't want to depend on foreign powers for advanced military technology. So, an ambitious project was born: the development of a new indigenous armored vehicle, the Bionix. The decision to create the Bionix was not an overnight one. It was rooted in the need for an armored fighting vehicle, AFV, that could stand up to modern threats while supporting infantry during combat. The M113, though reliable, was a product of the 1950s and couldn't keep up with the demands of the future. The idea was clear. Singapore needed an infantry fighting vehicle, IFV, that could transport soldiers safely while offering fire support during combat. But the challenge was immense. The stakes were high. In 1988, Singapore's Defense Ministry tasked ST Kinetics, a local defense contractor, with the design and development of the Bionix. They sought something that could meet the specific needs of the Singapore Armed Forces while also positioning Singapore as a leader in military technology. The project was about more than just creating a new vehicle. It was about showcasing Singapore's ability to innovate and grow its own military capabilities. The early days of the Bionix project were filled with trials and evaluations. The team worked tirelessly, refining designs, testing prototypes, and solving engineering problems. This was not an easy task, but the team was determined. The first pilot vehicles, the 15-1, 15-2, and 15-3, were introduced between 1990 and 1991. These vehicles were crucial in proving the design concepts and functionality of the Bionix. They tested mechanical systems, armament arrangements, and overall durability. These evaluations were essential for shaping the final product that would eventually become the first fully operational Bionix vehicles. In 1996, after years of testing and development, the Bionix became a reality. The first production vehicles rolled off the assembly line, and in 1997, the Singapore Armed Forces officially inducted the Bionix into service. This was a huge milestone. The Bionix wasn't just another vehicle. It was a symbol of Singapore's military independence and technological prowess. It was the first armored vehicle produced indigenously in Southeast Asia, marking a shift in the region's reliance on foreign-made military technology. But what exactly made the Bionix stand out? The Bionix wasn't just a replacement for the M113. It was a step forward in every sense. Its tracked wheel system, 6 rubber-tired road wheels on each side, provided excellent stability and mobility, crucial for navigating the diverse terrains of Southeast Asia. The hydropneumatic suspension system, a significant technological advancement, allowed for superior off-road performance. Whether in muddy jungles or urban settings, the Bionix was designed to excel. The Bionix's design was practical and efficient. Its body was streamlined, with a sloped glacis plate that not only improved the vehicle's ballistic protection, but also reduced its profile, making it harder for enemy forces to target. The driver's position was located at the front left of the hull, with the engine on the right, allowing for optimal space utilization. The turret, typically mounted on the center of the hull, was designed with sloped angles to enhance its ballistic protection while maintaining effective gun deployment. The Bionix wasn't just built for protection, it was designed for versatility. Powered by an American-made Detroit Diesel 6 V92 TA engine, the Bionix could reach speeds of up to 43 miles per hour. This gave the vehicle the mobility to keep pace with modern mechanized forces. With a range of 250 miles, it could operate for long durations without needing refueling, an essential characteristic for maintaining combat readiness over extended periods. One of the key aspects of the Bionix was its role as an infantry fighting vehicle IFV. Unlike standard armored personnel carriers APCs, the Bionix was equipped with heavy firepower to support infantry once they had been deployed on the battlefield. The standard Bionix featured a 25mm Bushmaster M242 autocannon, supported by two 7.62mm machine guns, one coaxially mounted and another on the turret roof. This armament combination allowed the Bionix to engage enemy infantry, light vehicles, and provide suppression fire during troop insertions. Over the years, the Bionix evolved. In 2006, the Bionix II was introduced, building on the original design. The Bionix II featured enhanced armor protection, particularly focusing on mine resistance, a critical feature for operations in areas with unexploded ordnance. The new version also boasted improved communications, a more advanced sighting system, and an upgraded 30mm Bushmaster II cannon, which offered greater firepower. The Bionix chassis was adapted for a wide range of battlefield roles, each version purpose-built for specific tasks. For example, the Bionix ARV, Armored Recovery Vehicle, was equipped with a winch and crane system for clearing debris and recovering damaged vehicles. The Bionix AVLB, Armored Vehicle Launcher Bridge, was another specialized version capable of deploying a 72-foot steel bridge, allowing mechanized forces to cross obstacles like trenches and rivers. Perhaps one of the most unique versions of the Bionix was the Trailblazer, a countermine vehicle equipped with a flail system. This variant was designed to clear mines in advance of the main assault forces, ensuring safe passage for other vehicles. The Trailblazer's high, stout appearance was designed to withstand mine blasts, providing a crucial tool for the military in regions where landmines posed a significant threat. Although several variants of the Bionix were developed, not all of them made it to full-scale production. The Infantry Carrier Vehicle IVC, based on the Bionix chassis, was a proposed air-transportable, light armored vehicle. However, it was ultimately not selected for production, as the United States Stryker-wheeled vehicle was chosen instead. Despite this setback, the Bionix's success remained undeterred. Its continued evolution and adaptation to battlefield needs have cemented its place as one of Singapore's most important military assets. As the region's first indigenous AFV, the Bionix has become a symbol of Singapore's growing technological and military prowess, inspiring neighboring countries to pursue similar defense capabilities. Today, the Bionix series remains a critical component of the Singapore Armed Forces, with production still ongoing under the ST Engineering label. The vehicle's continued success is a testament to Singapore's dedication to building homegrown solutions to meet the specific demands of its defense strategy. Whether in combat, recovery operations, or bridging obstacles, the Bionix has proven to be a versatile, reliable, and indispensable asset. The legacy of the Bionix is one of self-reliance, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. From its early days of development to its status as a battle-tested force, the Bionix has shown that with vision and determination, a small nation can create a world-class military vehicle. The Bionix isn't just a machine. It's a symbol of Singapore's growing stature on the global defense stage. As we look to the future, the Bionix series will continue to play an essential role in shaping the future of Singapore's defense capabilities. Its evolution is far from over, and the next chapter will likely see even more advanced versions, further enhancing its offensive and defensive capabilities. The future is bright for the Bionix, and as technology continues to advance, we can expect this iconic vehicle to remain at the forefront of modern warfare. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the Bionix Armored Vehicle, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're fascinated by military technology and want to learn more about incredible machines like the Bionix, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories. Share your thoughts and comments below. What do you think about the Bionix's journey from a concept to a battlefield powerhouse? We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep staying curious about the world of defense technology.